Hi everyone, my name is Josh Yamtube with Project AlphaGen, and we are a group in CS411 this fall, 2012. Today we're going to be demoing our project website, UIUCternship. UIUCternship is a website in which users can review internships as well as browse reviews from other students and reviews scraped from the rest of the internet. And they're able to like and categorize internships they're interested in, and then use our suggesting algorithm to suggest and find further internships they might like to pursue. To start, let's go ahead and create an account. Since this is a demonstration, I'm just going to put in a fake email address, so I'm just going to make it at test@gmail.com. My password, I'm just going to make it test. Make sure you got to type it in twice. Here, you need to put in a first name and last name, so I'm just going to say sample user. And for this sample user, we'll take myself and say you are a business student with a minor in computer science. So you have some diverse interests. There's 5 different skill drop-downs here that you can choose from. While you don't have to fill all of them in, the more you fill in, the more effective our algorithm is going to be in matching you with internships that you're going to be interested in. So in this case, by clicking the drop-downs, I'm going to select some of these skills that I have. So as a business student, I definitely have to say I have finance and accounting skills. On the other hand, I also have software engineering and web design skills from my time in computer science. And I'm looking to go into trading when I graduate, so I'm just going to go ahead and type that in the desired industry. And this completes your profile. So once you've done this, you can just go ahead and register. And you'll receive a confirmation asking you to go back to the home page and log in. So if you remember, my information is simply test@gmail.com with the password of test. When I do that, it's going to log you in and greet you. And now we can really get into some of the meat of the program. So let's say that I've held an internship at Google, for example, and I want to insert a review about it. I'm going to click on Write a Review right here, and it's going to load up a page that allows me to insert my review. So I worked for Google. All you have to do is type all your information in the form. My wages per hour, I was paid $30 an hour, for example. Position title, software intern. I can give it a rating out of stars, so I'll give this one 4 stars. And next, the industry. Let's see. Industry, probably going to be technology for this one. Yeah, I'm going to make it technology. Skills needed. Software, let's say maybe I needed C++ and Python. Now I get to write a brief review about my internship, so I'm just going to put some general information. Really enjoyed my internship with Google. It was a great experience. So once you're done, just go ahead and click Submit Review. And it's going to push your review into the database, and you can go ahead and jump back to the main page. So now here you'll notice this button that says My Review. This allows me to look at the reviews I've written. So if we click on that, it's going to populate and show you some of the different reviews that you've written and all the information about them. But now let's say that you actually haven't had a review and you're trying to find your first job. So one thing we can do, we have a few different ways to look up reviews. You can use this link right down here to see all the internships, but these up here allow you to filter it down. So let's say one of your friends has done some reviews. You only know their first name, for example Josh, because I've put some other reviews in here. If I type in Josh and hit submit, it's going to show some other different internships that I've had, that I've inserted into the database. But now we're going to go over looking up our bigger database of reviews, which was scraped from Glassdoor.com. You can go ahead and use the lookup review by keyword functionality here. Here you can simply type in any sort of keyword. So in this case, let's say I was interested in trading, like I mentioned before. I'm going to type in trading, hit submit, and it's going to search through all these different Glassdoor reviews and show any that are related to trading. So here you can read through these reviews, see which ones you're interested in, and then you can click this like button to add them to your profile. So let's see, UBS summer intern, I like that. Credit Suisse, Hong Kong intern, I'm going to click like. Let's see, intern in finance at General Mills, no, maybe I want to work at a bank. I'll like the Merrill Lynch one. And I can also like another UBS one down here. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can simply go home. Up at the top, you have the option to search again. I'm going to go ahead and go home. And now let's say I want to see the different reviews that I've already liked. All I have to do is click on See Liked Reviews. And it's going to show you those positions that you thought were interesting. Now, let's look at some of the different suggestions. So if we click the See More Suggestions Here button, this will show you suggestions by skills you put in. Or I'm sorry, this will show you, See Your Suggested Internships will show you suggestions by skill. So go ahead and click on that. So this is going to give me some suggestions related to business up at the top. It's also, let's see, it's also going to give me some software suggestions because I had some of those skills as well. So let's see, maybe I'll find some. Okay, so here's a position at UBS. That looks pretty interesting. I'm going to go ahead and like that one as well. Program Manager Intern at Expedia. Let's like that as well. And when you're done, you can simply go back a couple pages and you'll be back on your profile. Now let's take a look at my liked reviews again, and you should notice all the other interns you found. Those are going to populate in here as well. Lastly, as you build out and find more internships that you like, what you can do is you can use our suggestion algorithm to suggest further internships based on the ones you've already shown interest in. So to do that, click on See More Suggestions, and now it's going to show you some suggestions based on your likes. So once again, in this case, it noticed I mainly like business internships, so it's going to suggest audit and MBA interns, and I have the ability to add some of these positions to my like category as well. That's all of our demonstration for the different internships that we have, for the demonstration of UIUCternship. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the video. Whenever you're finished, just simply log out of your account here. Click and return to the home page, and that's it. You can just log in anytime, save your results, all sorts of information. Thanks a lot, everybody.